This is how to make at least $15,000 per month on TikTok. TikTok Ads is by far the best place to advertise on any social media platform right now. You're losing thousands if you're not on TikTok already. But you have to remember to like and subscribe. Keep on watching this entire video to capture all of the information that is coming at you. Gen Z, millennial. Those are the two generations that are on TikTok by far the most out of any generation. To sell a hot, trending product is by far the best thing that you can do on TikTok. I'm going to let you in on a great secret that I've learned myself by advertising on TikTok and trying to sell a product on that app. Is that, let's just say you had a product that worked fantastic for you with Facebook ads. Now, you can actually sell that same exact product that you were trying to sell on Facebook ads that made you a ton of money in the past, and you can actually sell that on TikTok ads right now, make even more money with that exact same product. Bring it back from the dead, baby. That's how we do it around here. But seriously, don't overthink it too much. If you know a product that is going to do really well with millennials and Gen Z, go ahead and try to sell it on TikTok ads because you could potentially make thousands of dollars. Again, not even exaggerating here. We're talking $15,000 per month with TikTok ads. There are a bunch of ways to advertise with TikTok ads, but let me tell you two of the ways right now is by purchasing ads on TikTok, and you can do this with in-feed videos, brand takeover ads, spark ads, image ads, video ads, Pangle ads, and a bunch more. But in my opinion, one of the best ways is to not even advertise in terms of actually buying the ad itself, but to just make ads organically and try to put them try to make videos and sell the product within the video itself. So to try to advertise, but not actually advertising to the Gen Z and millennial, to that type of demographic is probably, in my opinion, the best way to possibly do it. So let's say you're trying to sell this bodysuit to a surfer or someone who goes to a water park a lot. I don't know. Then if you're trying to sell this bodysuit, or let's just say a baby bodysuit, then you can actually make a ton of money by just having someone go down a huge water slide, showing the product and how it actually works and how it keeps you warm, let's just say. And this will work wonders if you actually show how the product works organically as a type of video, but actually show the product and show how it works. Just like how GoPro used to do it back in the day when they first started selling their product. They would show people actually showing themselves going down a ski slope, and they would show the same exact product in the middle of the ocean, in the warm, in the cold climate. It works everywhere, right? GoPro was a master at making this sort of product, and now they're a multi-billion-dollar company. They showed how this product works organically. The videos they were creating were by far more organic than almost any other product that I've seen on the market. The advertisements they were trying to sell the product in were so organic, and that's how you need to market your products on TikTok and make $15,000 and possibly way even more than that per month. If you have a product, let's just say it's an original product that you know was going to be huge with Gen Z and millennials, TikTok is by far the best place to advertise your product on. And if you know, let's just say you have a trending product or a product that can go way viral and make a ton of money for you in the space, then what I would definitely recommend is actually advertising on TikTok. There are a bunch of ways to do this. Let's just say you really want to appeal to that Gen Z crowd. You can actually make like in-feed videos. So these are ads that appear like among the news section of TikTok. You can also make spark ads. Spark ads means that it gives brands the ability to sponsor popular organic content that relates to their particular product. Image ads is something I would not recommend, but that's another option as well on TikTok. And of course, we're also talking about video ads here as well, which are ads that appear for 5 to 60 seconds in a user's For You feed. So making the ad itself, remember to appeal to a bunch of people. Try to make it like very quick. Try to make that content extremely quick so there's very high engagement in the actual product itself, and to try to get conversions over to your Shopify website. So in order to do that, millennials and Gen Z have to engage with your product within 2 seconds. I'm not joking. I know it's crazy, but 2 to 4 seconds is like key. If you don't get them within that amount of time, then you're pretty much screwed in terms of the actual ad itself. You can lose a lot of money because people are not going to want to engage with the ad itself. They're going to lose interest. People on TikTok have the attention span of a goldfish. I'm telling you right now, I know it's crazy, but you need to understand this, that people are going to not want to click on your particular item, and they're not going to want to engage with your item if you do not get them right away. How to do this is to have a really witty line initially and when you start the video, or show someone doing something absolutely crazy and absurd. Try to do like a blue screen or a green screen and really make something intense when in those 2 to 4 seconds. Really engage with your audience. That's how you get very high conversions. We can talk about the 16 seconds after those first 2 to 4 seconds, but let me tell you something right now. Those are by far the most important seconds. Engage with your audience within 2 to 4 seconds, or you're going to lose out on a lot of money because they're going to click off of your ad. Now, when you're actually setting up this ad, here is what you need to do. To create a new campaign, just create an ad campaign under the campaigns tab and clicking on the create button to give your campaign a name. You know, if you're going to spend some money on this advertisement, if there's a trending product out there, then you can spend money on this particular ad. You can set a lifetime budget to quickly reach as many people as possible, or you can also set a daily budget as well, which is what I would consider doing, is setting a daily budget and then slowly trying to figure out what exactly works for your audience. Next, you're going to want to choose the promotional type or goal that you want to achieve here. So to select either app install or website as your promotion type, then you're going to want to select the ad placement. Your choice of ad placement will determine whether your ads appear on TikTok and its partner program. Then you're going to select your creative type. This is what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to turn on the automated creative optimization feature and TikTok and test the engagement. You do not have to use this particular feature. Now, this is very important here. You're going to want to define your target audience. Select your location, gender, and end age group. You can specify the user's language, add user-specific interests, and include people who have previously interacted with your content before. Then you're going to select a delivery type. You can choose either a standard or accelerated delivery. Standard delivery will ensure you that your ad is going to appear with very high traffic time. Now, an accelerated delivery means your ad budget is dedicated to getting the most eyes on your ad as quickly as possible. So if you really want to have something very accelerated, then possibly even choose this option, or standard delivery as well. Now, you also have the option of previewing your ad just to make sure everything is correct and everything looks right. And you can also enter your ad text as well, which I would definitely put some sort of ad text as well on the particular ad that you're trying to make. And you can also put in calls to action as well on the ad itself. So you can like have calls to action like sign up or download now, contact us, book now, shop now, apply now, or learn more. What I would do is, if you're trying to sell a product, of course, I would say shop now as the option that I would do, and it would direct you right to your website. Now, after you create all your ad and everything is done, what you want to do is measure your ad performance. This is going to be the really important stuff here. Measuring the performance is trying to measure exactly how the campaign is working. If your ad campaign is doing well and you're converting, and you can actually compare the performance to see exactly what is working and what is not working for you. Some questions that a lot of people have are like, how much do the TikTok ads cost? Now, let me be very clear. At a very minimum, it's going to be around $50 daily. So advertising costs can also be around 10 cents per click as well. And you can have a very high conversion rate if this product does go viral. Now, obviously, if an ad is not working for you, take a step back and just try to learn exactly what you did wrong and try to learn from your mistake. But if you follow the steps correctly, you're going to understand TikTok a lot more and how it works, how the conversions work, who the demographic that you're trying to appeal to is, and how to get them to click on your certain advertisement. Just because an advertisement didn't work that well for you initially doesn't mean it was a waste of time or waste of money. What it means is that it's great practice, and it's also teaching you exactly how TikTok works itself in terms of how you advertise a product on the app. To get yourself to that $15,000 per month range is not going to happen overnight. Let's just be very clear. Try to perfect exactly that advertisement, how it works, how people see it, how people perceive the exact item that you want to create. Make sure the video is very clear, and make sure that you understand exactly the demographic that you're trying to appeal to, is like I said before, and also try to make sure that it's a fun, engaging ad. And also try not to put anything controversial in the ad itself as well, because you don't want to turn off people to what you're doing and what you're trying to sell. Your main goal, of course, is to just have those conversions very high, make sure those clicks are very high, and make sure sure, as long as those conversions or clicks are very high, people are going to go to your website and you're gonna make a bunch of sales in the long term. But of course, it's all about perfecting the ad. So as long as you perfect the ad and as long as you understand the demographic that you're trying to appeal to, then you're gonna be fine on TikTok. You're gonna make a ton of money. Like I said, $15,000 per month is really not that outrageous, especially when you're trying to sell on TikTok right now. But this is a trend. TikTok may not be around forever, and if you want to try this, now is probably going to be the best time. But it's up to you. Then give it a shot. I mean, in my opinion, right now, as we speak, it's a lot better than trying to advertise, let's just say, on Facebook ads. That's just me, and that's just my experience itself by advertising on TikTok. So what do you guys think? Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.